Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about grooming and handling. Overall, German Shepherds are a fairly low maintenance breed in the grooming department. Other than blowing their coat a few times a year, there's not a whole lot you have to do to keep them looking great. So our biggest focus is desensitizing these puppies and training them to accept nail trims. As adults, we trim our dogs' nails about once a week, but as puppies, they get trimmed twice or sometimes even 3 times a week, so they don't injure Helena as they are trying to nurse from her. German Shepherds grow to be extremely large and powerful dogs, and they can be a real nightmare when it comes to nail trims if they are not well trained to accept them without any fuss. At this age, our goal is not simply to get the nails trimmed no matter what it takes, but to keep the puppies calm, relaxed, and happy while we are trimming their nails. We are extremely careful not to cut the quick, which can cause small amounts of pain, so that the entire experience is something relaxed, happy, and pleasurable. It takes quite a bit of counter-conditioning to get to this point, as dogs are naturally overprotective of their feet and do not like them being picked up, handled, or touched. But as you can see here, Green Collar is falling asleep as we trim her nails. This doesn't bother her one bit. We want all of our puppies to be this relaxed and secure while they are getting a nail trim. Sometimes it doesn't always happen that way. Sometimes the puppy struggles or simply doesn't want its feet handled. Those puppies just get a little extra TLC until we get them to this point. We highly encourage our puppy buyers to learn how to properly trim nails for themselves and continue weekly maintenance nail trims for the rest of their dog's life. Keeping nails short is extremely important for health, structure, and longevity in our dogs. We also introduce our puppies to a Dremel. This will smooth out the sharp corners of their freshly clipped nails and make them even gentler on mama's teats. Some dog owners choose to Dremel instead of clipping nails, and when done regularly, a Dremel is a great alternative. It simply grinds down the dog's nails instead of clipping them sharply. Now that the hard part's out of the way, we simply handle and love on our puppies. We introduce our puppies to multiple different types of brushes, starting with extremely small makeup brushes on their faces, ears, noses, whiskers, just to get them used to that invasive touch, and moving all the way up to our big dog brushes like rakes and combs. As you can see, our puppies love being brushed. It's just extra attention that feels great to them. And as long as you are gentle, careful, and relaxed when brushing your puppies and dogs, they will remain that way for the rest of their adult lives. Something else that we are careful to introduce, slowly and gently, is holding our dog's head and muzzle. This is something that will come in handy for our breeding and showing prospects, as it's used often in conformation shows. It will also come in handy for muzzle training and just regular vet visits. Sometimes it feels so good that our puppies begin to nod off in the middle of a grooming session. This is exactly what we like to see. At no time are we making the puppies uncomfortable, in pain, or feel unsafe. This should be an excellent time to relax and bond with our puppies. And finally, we're done. As we finish up, we are sure to have some tasty treats on hand. Today, the puppies are getting duck broth. We are careful to create a positive emotional response to nail trims, grooming sessions, and handling sessions, and we reinforce it with a treat at the end. It smells so good, even Mama wants a taste. We are careful to have the mama dog nearby, so if they get stressed out, we can immediately give them back to her. Thanks for watching. Be sure to come back later this week as we begin to introduce our puppies to novel sights and sounds.